isa sa mga paboritong ulam ni Bunso ay ginisang corned beef. Nako, gustong-gusto talaga niya yan. So, nagpaturo siya kung paano magluto ng ginisang corned beef. Okay, put the onion na. Sige na.
Alright.
Yeah.
I don't trust the oil though.
Go.
Ah. Oh, it's nicer from when I was frying the fries.
Your heat is too much, anak. Put it in the, like, 4. Put it in 4. Yeah, okay.
Alright, weird.
Yung kamatis, babe.
Now?
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 Sige, go.
Now.
Yeah.
I can't get it.
Okay.
I mean, you got the basics, right? Like,
that yes, there are problems that came from the coronavirus and the global drop, but that a lot
Siya, lagay mo na yung corned beef, babe.
were of their own making before we ever got into this pandemic. First, let me be very clear that
All right,
President
that
said
gets
no
it.
bailouts to any company, whether that was airlines
there it
or
is.
oil companies.
Almost there.
We will consider, again, loans to companies in a proper scenario of strategic importance.
Gotta really scoop them out.
Shareholder bailouts.
Okay, use spoon, anak. You have to hurry, anak, kasi magdadry yung ano mo.
Okay.
Unang...
It's really awkwardly like spooning it out though.
Sige.
Republicans are
Sige.
talking about going after China.
I think they're all like stuck together. Like it all comes out in big chunks.
Start of this pandemic.
Wala na. Take everything, babe.
Mostly okay.
Sanctions options. We're going to leave it there. Secretary Mnuchin, thank you. Thanks for your time this week, and it's always a pleasure to talk with you, sir. Thanks. Great to be back.
Okay.
Chris.
Tell people that Liberty Mutual customizes car.
Good job, babe. Good job. Wala natira, anak, dun sa ano? Sa lata? Ano mo nga? Ayan, yung sa side. O, ayan. Kunin mo yan.
Just a bit.
Yan. Don't waste. Ayan. The side and at the top. Yeah. Yung sa kabila.
Okay. Oh.
Yung isa, anak. Yung isang lata.
Wait, I just got. This is. Not really. There's some, I guess. See, I just wanted to get like the most of it.
Okay, mix mo, mix.
To my new wife, the Empress of Russia.
Very good. Good job.
Yes, my favorite.
Yep.
Starting to form and cook.
It was a success! So, ayan, nakapagluto na si Kay ng ginisang corned beef for the first time. So, this time, the pandemic, siya na lagi ang toka sa pagluluto ng corned beef. So, wonderful job, baby.